Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the wallpaper and style in your Samsung Galaxy M15. To this operation, slide up, go to settings here and search for option wallpaper and style. Yep, that's it. As you see, this is our wallpapers. Let's try to change it for orange one. And you can set up this wallpaper for lock screen or home screen. You can set up only for home screen, and you can set up different wallpaper for your lock screen. Next, done. So let's check it out. No, we don't have the orange one. Let's try again. Home screen. Next, done. So let's see. Yep, the new wallpaper is already here. Let's see on the lock screen. There is a new wallpaper here. So that's it for now. Anyway, you can take the wallpaper from your gallery. In my case, I don't have picture or video right now, so I can't do this. You can do it by graphical, which is on your phone. You can type by your colors, and there is a wallpaper service, as you see, so you can download much more wallpapers by your team. And there is a Samsung Themes, but this is a Samsung Global Go, so this is a different application. You can get more wallpapers by your other app, Galaxy Themes. And so there's many ways to get the wallpapers on your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!